All right, 3 quick tips so this turns out creamy and bold every single time. Tip number 1, let your tomatoes sizzle for a few seconds. Instant flavor boost. Tip number 2, toast the orzo for 30 seconds. Deeper taste, better texture. Tip number 3, turn the heat off when you add the creamy finish so it stays silky and glossy. If your orzo looks a little dry, add a small splash of broth. Cook the orzo to about 90%, not more. Then shut the heat off. The sauce will finish it perfectly. Make it as creamy as you want. Add a little more yogurt or swap in cream cheese. Try both and see which one hits the spot. And you can totally make this lighter. Use a little less orzo and load up the spinach and veggies. Same flavor, fewer carbs. If today's tips helped you cook smarter, please hit like and subscribe. I post bold Mediterranean one-pan meals that are fast and 55 plus friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Watch my other videos on the screen, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.